In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Stack dashboard. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide will help you make the most out of your workspace. Let's begin by accessing the Stack login page. You'll need to have your credentials ready, so head over to the login screen. Once there, you'll likely be prompted to log in using your email and password associated with your Stack account. For the sake of convenience, you might prefer logging in with Google. Not only does this streamline the process, but it also adds an extra layer of security if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Google account. Simply click on Log in with Google. Select your Google account from the list, and you'll be on your way. Now that we're inside the dashboard, let's turn our attention to the Projects section. Click on Projects, located in your main menu. This feature is where you'll create new projects and find any existing ones. It's a fabulous tool for managing and organizing your work, ensuring you have easy access to all ongoing projects. Take a moment to explore the layout and options available. You can start a new project or dive into an existing one to make edits or review details. Next, navigate over to the calendar. By clicking on Calendar in the menu, you'll be able to view your projects laid out in a calendar format. This is extremely helpful for gaining a big picture view of all deadlines and upcoming tasks. If you're someone who thrives on visual organization, you'll appreciate the clarity and simplicity the calendar provides. Moving things around is intuitive, and you can click on any date to drill down into specific project details or tasks. Now let's explore the Libraries section. This is where you will find pre-built item and assembly libraries, and you can also create your own custom libraries. This feature is particularly useful if you have specific items or groups of items that you repeatedly use across different projects. Click on Libraries to explore the various templates, assemblies, and other resources available to you. It's a rich resource for making your workflow more efficient, especially if your work involves a lot of repeatable tasks or standard configurations. In the Libraries section, there are two key areas you'll want to familiarize yourself with: Assemblies and Items. Start by clicking on Assemblies to see a list of pre-built assemblies. These are essentially groups of related items that are often used together, which saves you time in setting up new projects. Next, click on Items if you need a closer look at individual items or wish to add new ones to your library. This flexibility allows tailoring your resources precisely how you need them. And that's a wrap on navigating the Stack dashboard. Armed with this knowledge, you're now in a great position to make the most of your Stack experience. Thanks for following along and happy exploring.